Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly apply for Medicare online in Australia. This process can be done through my gov website or this one here, my.gov.au, and I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. So you can apply for Medicare if you are an Australian or a New Zealand citizen, a permanent resident or a temporary resident covered by a ministerial order, right? So you can also apply if you're a visitor from Italy or United Kingdom. Anyway, so you may also qualify if you're from a country with a reciprocal healthcare agreement with Australia. And now, so before applying, make sure you have these documents ready. A valid passport, visa details if you are not an Australian citizen, proof of residency like a utility bill or lease agreement, if applying as a family identity documents for children under 15. And then let's get you to the enrollment process. So how to enroll? Alright, so to enroll online, log into your MyGov account. You need to sign up here, create an account first if you don't have one. And once logged in, link your Medicare account by selecting Medicare from the list of available services. Alright, then this is how you can sign in here. And once Medicare is linked, go to the enrollment section. You can this the form here, fill out the form with your details, including your Medicare eligibility and proof of residence. And then, if you are applying as family, make sure to include all relevant details. Double check your details and click submit. You should receive a confirmation message or reference number. Save this for checking of your application status. Now, what happens next? So once approved, you will receive your Medicare number immediately. Your physical Medicare card will be sent to you or on your mailing address. And if you need sooner, you can access a digital copy through the Express Plus Medicare app. So let me quickly show you the app. Anyway, so this is the steps here. As I've said, uh, error, medical program line. Yes, you can search for Express Plus Medicare app on Play Store, and this will be available. So some final tips. So if you can apply online, you can complete the Medicare enrollment form, this one, and send it by mail or email. Make sure your documents are right in the format. So PDF, JPG, or PNG, and under 5 MB. And if you have any issues, contact Medicare enrollment services, or you can chat with an assistant here and to ask if you have any more questions. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to apply for Medicare online in Australia quickly and correctly.